Okay, Alex, what are you doing? Are you going to tell me a story?
Yeah.
Okay, tell me, what's the story?
So this is a little bird flying, but the cat wanted to have the bird.
That's the cat?
Yeah.
And where's the bird? And how do they chase each other?
The bird flies and the cat trying to jump and get the bird.
Nice. And then, is there anybody else?
And the wolf.
There's the wolf over there. And this is the bird.
Yeah.
Tell me how does the wolf, display the wolf by itself?
The wolf is trying to get the bird for a nice dinner.
A nice dinner. And where's the cat? I forgot about the cat. Is there anybody else? How about a dog? Is there any dog anybody?
Yeah.
I see. Oh, what happened to the bird? I don't hear the bird.
The bird was tired, that's why I landed on a tiny plate and it got up.
And is that the dog or the wolf? Where's the wolf?
This is the dog.
Nice.
And now this is the pig.
That's the pig?
My hands are tired to do the whole story.
Well, can you say this is the end of the story?
And then, no, it's not the end. Oh, maybe tomorrow I can finish the story.
That's a great idea.
I can just do the last part.
Okay.
And the horse is trying to get the bird, the friend, but the bird thinks the horse